Class 6 Social Science, Term 1, Civics, Unit 2, Achieving Equality, Evaluation. A warm welcome to the revision part. Evaluation, Roman letter 1, choose the correct answer. Question 1, which one of the following is not the reason for prejudice? The options are A. Socialization, option B. Economic benefits, option C. Authoritarian personality, option D. Geography. Correct answer, option D. Geography. Question 2. Discrimination done on the basis of gender is referred to as. The options are A. Gender discrimination, option B. Caste discrimination, option C. Religious discrimination, option D. Inequality. Correct answer, option A. Gender discrimination. Question 3. Gender-based stereotypes are often portrayed in. The options are A. Films, option B. Advertisements, option C. TV serials, option D. All of these. Correct answer, option D. All of these. Question 4. Name the books written by APJ Abdul Kalam. The options are A. India 2020, option B. Wings of Fire, option C. Ignited Minds, option D. All of these. Correct answer, D. All of these. Question 5. APJ Abdul Kalam was conferred Bharat Ratna in the year. The options are A. 1997, option B. 1996, option C. 1995, option D. 1994. Correct answer, option A. 1997. Question 6. Vishwanathan Anand became India's first Grandmaster in the year. The options are A. 1985, option B. 1986, option C. 1987, option D. 1988. Correct answer, option D. 1988. Question 7. In which sport Ilavaragi excels? The options are A. Chess, B. Wrestling, C. Carom, D. Tennis. Correct answer, option C. Carom. Question 8. Which article of the Constitution says discrimination against any citizen on grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, or any of them is not? The options are A. 14.1, option B. 15.1, option C. 16.1, option D. 17.1. Correct answer, option B. 15.1. Question 9. B.R. Ambedkar was conferred Bharat Ratna in the year. The options are A. 1990, option B. 1989, option C. 1988, option D. 1987. Correct answer, option A. 1990. Question 10. As per the 2011 census, the highest literate district in Tamil Nadu. The options are A. Namakkal, option B. Salem, option C. Kanyakumari, option D. Sivagangai. Correct answer, option C. Kanyakumari. Roman letter 2. Fill in the blanks. Question 1. People have false belief and ideas on others is called dash. Correct answer, prejudice. People have false belief and ideas on others is called prejudice. Question 2. APJ Abdul Kalam was born in dash. Correct answer, Rameswaram. APJ Abdul Kalam was born in Rameswaram. Question 3. Dash was the first recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, India's highest sport honor. Correct answer, Vishwanathan Anand. Vishwanathan Anand was the first recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, India's highest sport honor. Question 4. Dash was independent India's first law minister. Correct answer, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was independent India's first law minister. Question 5. As per the 2011 census, the lowest sex ratio was in dash. Correct answer, Dharmaburi district. As per the 2011 census, the lowest sex ratio was in Dharmaburi district. Roman letter 3. Match the following. Question 1. Prejudice. Correct answer, judge other people negatively. Question 2. Stereotype. Correct answer, false view or idea about something. Question 3. Discrimination. treating someone less fairly than others. Question 4. Article 14. Correct answer, equality before law. Question 5. Article 17. Abolition of untouchability. Roman letter 4. Answer the following questions. Question 1. What is prejudice? Correct answer, prejudice means to judge other people in a negative or inferior manner without knowing much about them. Question 2. What is a stereotype? Correct answer, stereotype is a false view or idea about something. Question 3. What is discrimination? Correct answer, discrimination can be defined as negative actions towards people. It can happen on the basis of color, class, religion and gender, etc. Question 4. What are the articles that are discussing the equality in the Indian Constitution? Correct answer, Article 14. It provides equality before the law. Article 15(1). It provides that the state shall not to discriminate against any citizen on grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth or any of them. Article 17. It states that untouchability is totally abolished. Roman letter 5. Answer the following in detail. Question 1. What are the causes of prejudice? Correct answer, the causes of prejudice are socialization, conforming behaviors, economic benefits, authoritarian personality, ethnocentrism, group closure, conflicts. Question 2. Write any two types of discrimination. Answer, caste discrimination. Caste system is the most dominant reasons for inequality and discrimination in India. In the beginning, the society was divided into different groups on the basis of occupation known as Varnas. Leaders like Ambedkar was against caste discrimination. He fought actively for equality among the citizens of India. Gender discrimination. Gender discrimination refers to health, education, economic and political inequalities between men and women in India. For example, a girl is not allowed to go to college after finishing her schooling. Question 3. Explain the solution to the removal of inequality and discrimination in Indian society. Answer, the remedial measures are wider access to quality-based services like healthcare and education for all. Be aware of current gender bias. Make women more visible in public life and institution to eradicate gender disparity. Be open to learning about other religions. Promoting community dining in the classroom may help the students to visit together without any bias of caste, religion or gender. Socialize with people of all types outside home. Effective implementation of laws. Roman letter 7. Hordes. Question 1. Various discrimination in India. Discuss. Answer, the different forms of inequalities such as caste inequality, religious inequality, race inequality or gender inequality give rise to discrimination. Discrimination can happen on the basis of color, class, religion, gender, etc. Treating dark-skinned people differently from fair-skinned people, giving more importance to people of higher than to those of lower caste and thinking boys are smarter than girls are all thoughts of discrimination. Article 15(1) of the Constitution states that the state not to discriminate against any citizen on grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth or any of them. Thank you, children.